Nathan, which present do you want to open today? Huh? Remember I told you when Grandma came home from work you can open a present?
Yes.
Which one? Pick one.
This?
The one from Daddy? Okay, let me see. Come over here. Let's see what Daddy sent you. What is it? Do you know?
Nintendo for you.
It's a Nintendo 3D? Well, let's see if you're right. Open it. Daddy said to be careful. There's something else on the top, too.
Big cat.
Yep, open it. Go ahead. Wow. And look, Daddy, let me see.
Nintendo for you.
And you got a card for GameStop on there.
Nintendo for you.
Okay, cool. Biscuit, can you not run? What is it, Nate?
Nintendo for you.
Say, look up and say, thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
No, look at Mama. And say, thank you, Daddy.
Nintendo for you.
Yeah, open it. Can you open it?
Yes.
You can.
Nintendo for you.
It's a Nintendo 3DS.
Here.
You knew that's what it was, didn't you? You want Mommy to help you?
Yes.
Yeah, it's got tape on it.
He got Nintendo for you.
Yeah, you got a Nintendo 3DS. Can you hand me something like
Aunt May turned on.
Nintendo
something
for
to
you.
slice the...
It's big.
It is big, isn't it?
Nintendo for you.
Yeah, Nintendo 3DS. Hold on. Okay, here you go. Let's see. Wow, 3DS. Lucky boy. Oh, there you go. It's a Nintendo. Yeah.
Cool, Nick.
Oh, you already taking games out of that one. I don't know if those games will work on that one. I think you can. You might have to plug it in and charge it, baby.
Nintendo for you.
You're gonna have to plug it in, I think. Wow, a case for... Oh, that's the dock. Cool. You gotta plug it in?